Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our lesson number 64 is about understanding innovations in LEDs related to sound and light. Light emitting diodes, LEDs, have become one of the most important innovations in modern technology. From small indicators on electronic devices to large-scale LED displays, lighting systems, and even communication devices. LEDs are transforming how we use light in everyday life. This lesson will explore how LED technology works, the innovations that make them more efficient and versatile, and the relationship to sound and light applications. What is an LED? An LED, light emitting diode, is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it. A. It works on the principle of electroluminescence, the emission of light as a result of electrons recombining with holes in a semiconductor material. Unlike traditional incandescent bulbs, LEDs do not rely on heating a filament, which make them more energy efficient and long-lasting. The science behind LEDs. LEDs are made from materials like gallium arsenide or gallium nitride. The color the, of the light depends on the energy gap of the semiconductor. When voltage is applied, electrons drop from a higher energy level to a lower one, releasing energy as photons, which are light particles. Innovations in light LED technology. Over the years, scientists and engineers have developed ways to improve LEDs in terms of efficiency. And when you say efficiency, producing more light with less energy. In terms of color range, from single color LEDs to multicolor RGB lights, red, green, and blue, RGB. In terms of brightness control, using dimmers and pulse width modulation, miniaturization, making LEDs small enough for microdisplays and medical devices. In terms of integration with electronics, smart LEDs can be controlled wirelessly through apps or sensors. in application related to sound and light. Although LEDs are primarily about light, innovations have linked them to sound technology. A. Audiovisual displays. LED screens in concerts and stadiums are synchronized with sound systems to create immersive experiences. High refresh rates ensure that light changes match the beat and rhythm of music. LED microphones and instruments. Some microphones and musical instruments use LED indicators to show sound levels, pitch accuracy, or effects. Light fidelity, Li-Fi communication, a wireless communication technology that uses LED light to transmit data. Sound data like music can be sent through modulated LED light and received by a photo detector. Stage lighting. Modern stage lighting uses high-powered RGB LEDs, red, green, and blue, synchronized with music for dynamic effects. Computerized lighting controllers make LEDs flash, fade, or change color in time with sound. Advantages of LED innovations. A. Energy efficiency. Up to 90% less energy than incandescent lamps. Lasts up to 50 hours or more, and that's longevity. Resistant to shock and vibration, and that is durability. Low heat output. That means safer to touch and better for heat sensitive environments. Available in strips, panels, and custom shapes for creative uses. And that is the design flexibility. Real-world examples. LED lighting synchronized with live music in concert halls and theaters. Giant LED screens with sound integration for interactive ads, and those can be found in our advertising billboards. LED lighting controlled by voice or sound cues, and those are what we call smart homes. LED headphones with built-in light displays responding to music, and that's what we call wearable tech. Challenges in LED innovations. We have prolonged exposure to high-intensity blue LEDs may strain eyes, and that is the blue light hazard. And one of the challenges in LED innovations. Next is the high-quality LED systems can still be expensive. So that pertains to the high cost of the LED innovations. And another challenge, we also have high-power LEDs that require good heat dissipation to prevent damage. And that's another challenge in terms of heat management of our LED innovations. LED technology is not just about producing light. It's about integrating light into systems that work with sound, communication, and entertainment. As innovation continues, we may soon see LEDs that can transmit high-speed internet, adapt to environmental sounds, and serve as both lighting and communication tools. Light-emitting diodes are one of the most important technological innovations in modern electronics. They are everywhere, from indicator lights in gadgets to massive LED billboards to energy efficient home lighting and even in high-tech medical devices. Understanding how LEDs work and how they connect to sound and light technology gives us insight into physics and engineering applications. An LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it. It is based on electroluminescence, the process where electrons recombine with holes in a semiconductor, releasing energy in the form of light. LEDs are solid-state devices, meaning no filaments to burn out. More energy efficient than the ordinary bulbs, convert more electricity into light rather than heat. LEDs have longer lifespan than ordinary bulbs. LEDs can last up to 25,000 to 50,000 hours compared to 1,000 hours for incandescent lamp. In semiconductors, electrons need a certain amount of energy to jump from the valence band to the conduction band. When electrons fall back into the valence band, they release photons, which are light. The color of the light depends on the band gap of the material. So, in LEDs, there is what we call energy band gap. The energy of the material, there are different energy bands. And so there are energy band gaps. And depending on the jumping of the valence electrons to the band gap, it actually produces lights. And the color depends on the band gap of the material. For the color and materials, red LEDs, these are what we call gallium arsenide. Green LEDs, these are gallium phosphide. Blue LEDs, the materials are gallium nitride. White LEDs, often made by coating blue LEDs with a yellow phosphor layer. So we actually only have RGB. So we have RGB LEDs. R means red, G means green, blue means B means blue, and then that's RGB. And innovations in LED technology. So we have HBLEDs, which is used in large outdoor screens and automotive headlights. We also have organic LEDs. These are flexible, thin, and used in modern TV screens and smartphones. We also have micro LEDs. These are ultra small LEDs for high resolution displays. So these are the innovations in LED technology. So we will have a next part of lesson 64. Thank you.